Everyone says you can't sneeze with your eyes open, but what if you did? See the intense buildup. The sudden force compresses your brain while your eyeballs strain against impossible pressure. The sneeze erupts, not air, but a bizarre pressurized blast of distorted reality, eyes still impossibly wide. Your vision itself fragments, reality shattering into 1,000 distorted reflections. The unseen force of that sneeze ripples outwards, distorting not just vision, but the very fabric of space. And in that fractured instant, the eye itself becomes a portal, reflecting an infinite, impossible truth.